What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. This is episode 1 of a video series about everything you need to know about Beaujolais Nouveau. And we're looking at, well, how to pronounce Beaujolais Nouveau. Because that's the first step of what you need to know to celebrate Beaujolais Nouveau properly. So how do you go about pronouncing this, Beaujolais Nouveau? Well, essentially, BEAU, B-E-A-U, E-A-U in French, forming the sound O, and then another O, BOJO, and then lay. These come down to lay. Note that the S here is absolutely silent, so do not pronounce it. Simply Beaujolais, and then nous, just like nous, and VEAU, again E-A-U forming the sound O. So Beaujolais Nouveau, pretty easy, right? I hope this was useful, and now you need and you have to pronounce Beaujolais Nouveau the proper way. And that's it for now. Make sure to watch the next episode of the series to learn more about what is Beaujolais Nouveau, linking to it right here, and feel free to have a look around my YouTube channel where I share the passion and knowledge of everything wine. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Cheers.